Hello.
Hello.
Hi. So nice to see you one more
I
time.
think I am one of the student who is eating your head back to back in many
No, no,
sessions.
no. I never complain about students who keep coming back, okay? I never. I That's the last thing I do. I always feel happy. Secretly, I feel very happy. So yeah, don't worry. You're not eating my head at all, okay?
So I
Fine.
think few minutes ago I got an update on Clappingo that they added some more functionalities, and it's good to see that they are constantly evolving.
Yes, yes. They have added a couple of new features. From the learners, and what have they added? Because I don't get to see that part.
So now I can view teacher's bio, like what the teacher does and
Mhm.
which is written by the teacher itself. So I think
Okay,
you didn't fill your bio because it shows. Yeah.
blank. Yes, yes, I need to fill it. The minute you said, I was like, oh no, I've not filled it. Yeah. And apart from this, what else? What are other new things that they've added?
So since my subscription ended, I think I am not able to see other features. But yeah, in Play Store it's said many things, and it got a different interface as well, little bit different. So
Okay, okay, fine. I wish I could also see that, but I can't. Mine is different. Okay, the speaker app is a little different. We also have new features now. The bio part, as you mentioned, that has been added. The remaining I'm yet to explore.
yeah,
Okay, great. So, if you had to attach a color to happiness, okay,
color too.
happiness, the feeling of happiness, okay, which color would you assign?
It's a hard question, but I think uh, green, yellow, orange. Yeah, I think these three colors
Okay,
are
green,
somewhat
yellow.
similar to me. Yeah,
Okay, fine. What's your favorite color, by the way?
red.
Red. Okay, okay. So my one of my best friends' favorite color is also red. Her wardrobe is full of red. What about you? Do you have the
Yeah,
same?
if you see my all my like social media post, almost all are like have some or the other touch of red.
Red. Yes, I've observed that. Yeah.
Because yeah, I think red means passion or
Mm,
something burning desire, those kind of things. I
yes.
saw some meaning of it, and I
Mhm.
think I am attached to that color.
Okay, fine. And why would you attach green and yellow for happiness?
Because red has nothing to do with happiness, I guess,
Okay.
because red is all about struggling and achieving your goal, those kind of things.
Ambition, passion, all that.
Obsession, everything.
Yeah. Yes.
So okay, I just now realized that even our India flag is a similar color. Like it has some similar color, red, not red,
Green
this orange, green. Yeah,
and saffron. Yeah, true. Okay.
yeah. Maybe even that influenced me to some extent, but I didn't think of it when I told you.
Hmm. Just now you made that connection, is it?
Yeah, just now I made that connection.
Okay, very well. Great. And what are the three things, okay, that you need to be happy in your life? Only about you.
So I never asked me this question. So it
Okay.
would be,
Mm-hmm.
uh, like I want to spend time with the
Mm-hmm.
people I wish to meet, and
Okay.
my family is the greatest asset I have in my life.
Okay.
So apart from this, two more would be,
Mm-hmm.
uh, I think money, because money will provide me opportunity to do all those things.
That's true. That's 100% true. Even I disagree with people who say that, money doesn't bring happiness. I'm like,
Because those people like don't have enough money for themselves to,
mhm.
uh, and that's why they want to like push off their responsibility by telling this word.
Okay, fine. And first is money, second is family. I mean, family, money, and is there anything else? Something that makes you
Health.
genuinely happy. Health, good health.
Yeah, that's all. I think these three things will make is the basic necessity of everyone, and it has the
Mhm.
power to make your life content.
True. That's true. And I'm very happy that you mentioned that word, okay, content. So, feeling content. What is it? Is there any difference between happiness and feeling content, or are they the same?
When you are happy, you are content. I think they
Okay.
are linked with each other.
Okay. Fine. Awesome. Very well. Great. And can you tell me about the happiest memory of your childhood?
Mm.
Are there
Okay.
too many?
Yeah, like I can't just point out some, but my childhood
Okay.
was awesome, and I wish I get to live that soon. But
Mm-hmm.
I have moved on. I don't regret on anything.
Okay.
But even I wish uh, that I get a chance to go there and enjoy those moments again,
You want to relive, relive those moments again.
relive those moments again.
Yeah, trust me, we all do. When we are kids, we feel like, when am I going to grow up? We are always, waiting eagerly to grow up. Once we grow up and the reality hits, okay, we feel like, okay, I wish I could become a child again.
Yeah, I think that the primary reason for all this will change if some proper education system will be
Mhm.
implemented in India. I think even one part of us we want to grow up is because of escaping all those kind of boring assignments and all those things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. True, true.
Because
Yes.
when I was a kid, even I wanted to like escape all those things like assignment writing and getting beating from teacher.
Okay.
So I thought if I grow up, I won't have these things. But of course, every phase of life has its own responsibilities and uh,
Challenges.
challenges.
Yes. So I think the only time when we felt that when are we going to grow up is while doing assignments only. Just now it flashed to me when you mentioned it. That's when it struck my mind. Okay.
And that's
And
why if that is changed, I think people will live more in their childhood.
yes, true, true, absolutely. I think our education system needs a complete reform.
Yeah, it
Okay,
needs.
360 degree. Not just in our country. I think we just have a bad reputation. I think many countries around the world follow the same. Okay, it's just our perception that it's something very different, but I don't think so. Most of them are pretty much on the same lines as us only.
Yeah, but in
Except in few
abroad, there
countries.
is at least some more opportunities, and also there are some things, some practical things attached with the education.
Okay, yes.
And
It's
that's
not just.
why it's slightly better than ours. But I am
Hmm.
not aware of any other countries where it's
Oh.
like our situation.
Okay, fine. And do you think that every country should have a happiness minister? Like we have education minister, we have the health minister.
Uh, if it is there, it should be like our selection, those kind of things. It should be there. Like
Mhm.
no, I don't think it's required
Okay, you don't think there
because
needs to be a
happiness is something personal, and uh, it can't be forced on someone or something.
yeah. No, I'm not saying the happiness minister will force people to be happy. No, it's like the health minister doesn't force us to be healthy. Okay, they're just there for monitoring things and financing that particular aspect and all that. So if okay, so if I made you the happiness minister of India, what suggestions would you give to the nation? What would your first speech, okay, sound like? Any three
Like
tips you would
I would ban all the things which forces others to do what they
like?
don't want to do.
Okay.
So that would be my first action, and
Mhm.
after that I will force everyone to live the life
Mhm.
they desire, because that will make them happy in return for sure.
Yeah, that's true.
Even if
That's
you
true.
fail at it, but that
Mhm.
level of satisfaction you won't get in any other things.
Yes, 100%. So if you become the happiness minister of our country, it would be illegal to force people to do things that they hate.
Yeah, exactly.
So what would your punishment look like? Will you force them to do things that they don't like? That would be the punishment.
I think that's the great punishment. I didn't think of it, but yeah, that's a great suggestion.
Okay, so yeah. Fine. And do you think that do you believe in minimalism? Do you think that having less things is better, or is it okay to be materialistic?
For me, it's a mixture of both, but I think yeah, it's okay to have more options
Hmm. Okay. So
because
somewhere in.
we have to upskill ourselves constantly in order to uh,
Mhm.
understand. Like it's a personal choice. Finally, if you want to live a simple life, it's your choice. There
Okay.
is no
Okay.
force on those things.
Mhm.
But I
Okay.
believe in materialistic as
Yeah. Yeah. That's great. Same here. So fine. So because this is catching up in the world now, right? Minimalism. People are just giving away their things. They are having, fewer set of clothes, few things in their home, like unwanted junk. They're just getting rid of, right? So yeah, I have seen extreme levels of minimalism. Okay, if you go on YouTube, you can see that extreme levels. The person is rich, they are well off, okay, they are not deprived of anything, but if you see their house and all that now, it's just barren. Okay, so that kind of scares me a little. Will I ever be able to do that? I don't, it doesn't excite me also. So
that's
yeah.
not required. I think like people have some kind of misconception that minimalism means you have to sacrifice all the comforts of your life, and
Okay.
it's not true. It's how you think. It's finally in
Mhm.
here. If you uh, become a sannyasi or something and have
Okay.
all those kind of thoughts in your mind that
Yeah.
I left everything, and what if I had more money, or why did I
Hmm.
even leave it? If you have those kind of thoughts, that means you are mentally not ready for that. You are just physically showing off to the world that you can do it. But I think
Hmm.
those kind of things is not required. Even if you, there are some mentors I look up to, and uh, one of those mentor preaches that he's very super luxurious and rich,
Okay.
and he preaches about simplicity.
Okay, that's a little contradicting, right?
Yeah, it's contradictory, and he also does a lot of charity.
Hmm. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. I think that's a very practical approach that he has to things.
Yeah, people who don't understand him thinks that he's greedy and all those stuff, but
Hmm.
people who do understand him, they know what he is.
Okay, so I think he's a spiritual. Okay, I just need a hint. Is he a spiritual guru? I think I have an idea of who you're talking about.
Siddharth
He's a
Rajsekar. I am not like yeah, I can mention it.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's nice. Even maybe I can look him up on the net. Yeah,
Yeah.
fine. Great. And do you think that people who are more connected with nature, right, who are more happier than those who are living in concrete jungles, always in our homes? So do you think nature affects our happiness or our mood?
Yeah, right now I am in like in a good environment where
Yeah.
I can see a lot of trees, birds chirping, and this is way better than I am talking with you in the room.
Yeah, true. So being in nature does affect our mood, right? So if ever I'm
Yes.
feeling stressed, I just go out for a walk in the park. And do you also do that?
So I think nature has some solution which we normally don't find, and
Mhm.
when we expose ourselves to nature, even before I go used to go to gym, I had
Okay.
a habit of jogging in the morning to some
Mhm.
park kind of places, and
Okay.
that experience was way better than going to gym.
Outdoor, working out outdoors.
Yeah, working out outdoor, and I recently stopped it because of raining, and also there were some German Shepherd dogs near that park, and
Oh
those
my
were
God.
way scarier, and that's why I quit.
Yeah. You
Jogging.
can say they were petrifying, okay, or you can say they were very scary.
They were very scary, and just think that at 5:40 a.m. I'm going to jog. That
Yeah.
time it's a cold atmosphere, it's a dark atmosphere, and some white
Mhm.
kind of foggy atmosphere. There,
Yeah, yeah.
if
True.
you see 4 to 5 German Shepherd, which are free, not even tied,
Oh my God.
But they are
Okay.
not attacking you yet.
Yet, correct. No, there's always a possibility that they will. They might.
And that's why I stopped like jogging and going to gym.
Okay, fine. It's a very valid reason. Okay. Even when I used to go to tuitions early in the morning when I was in school, okay, I used to cycle all the way to my tuition. And someone, I don't know which house the dog belonged to, it was a Pomerian. Okay. It was not a Pomerian, it was a very big white dog. I don't even know what it is. Okay. I don't know the breed. It would just come chasing, and I got so scared. The next morning, the next morning, I just told my parents, "You have to accompany me." And then we figured out who that dog belongs to, and we spoke to them. And the lady, thankfully, she understood the situation. Okay, and she didn't let the dog loose early in the morning because it would start chasing any vehicle. Okay, cars, cycles, scooters,
Especially you,
especially me. I was so scared. This
because you
happened
are
in
some kind of reachable to it because you are going in cycle. Others are like closed car, so it felt it is the best choice to attack you.
I don't know. See, my thing is if I'm taken aback, okay, I freeze for a second, okay. I need little time to process and then I can think about it. And I froze there. I didn't know what to do. Then I put all my strength. The way I cycled that day to my tuition, I don't even want to do that ever again. At so much speed. So yeah, that happened. And is this your last session with Clappingo?
Yeah, it's
This
my
one? Last, right? Okay. So one last question to you. What kind of a life do you envision for yourself when you're 70 years old? What do you want to have?
I want to like have this element of creativity, exploring this kind of element. I still want to have at that age, because
Mm-hmm.
until I have my last breath, it's not the end. There is something more to explore, and by the time
Oh,
I am 70, there will be
mhm.
so many things added, and I want to explore those. I don't want to miss out on those.
Okay.
I want a feeling of I want a feeling where I was able to contribute to especially
This is
India,
it
because
in
India
India.
is first for me.
Wow. Okay.
I want to have many success stories, like
Mm-hmm.
so many students should be successful because of me.
Okay.
It can be some selfish kind of motto, but I want that. I want to like feel myself in that way, that I was able to do something here
Okay.
before I
Okay. You
quit.
want to look up to as a mentor, as a guide.
Yeah.
Like, okay. Amazing, Shiv.